Hello, welcome to this video. I'm Previous the tutor, and in this video we are going to look at the 2022 G12 question in biology, paper 2. This was question 3, and it was said, figure 3 shows part of the alimentary canal of the human being. So we have our diagram here, as we can see. Then it says identify the part labeled P and Q. The part labeled P, this one here, you can say this is just the tube. This one, it's coming all the way from your mouth, so that is what the esophagus. Esophagus. Others they call it the gullet. Q, the second largest thing of the inside the human being, it is actually the stomach. Explain the functions of the part labeled R in digestion. B says explain the functions of the part labeled R in digestion. First of all, we need to know what is R. R is this one here, which is the pancreas, this one here. So what's the function of the pancreas? And this is 3 marks. And the question is saying the function Z. That means we can state 3 functions, then later on you can explain for you to gain marks. So I'm not going to write the explanations, but I might just state them. All right? The first function of the pancreas is that it secretes digestive enzymes. So it secretes, so you can say secretion of digestive enzymes. Digestive enzymes such as what? Such as the amylase, the lipase, the protease, and so on. There's also secretion of pancreatic juice. Now the pancreatic juice, it contains different substances, all right, such as the same enzymes, all right, the pancreatic amylase, and so on. Now, they have said in digestion, to be specific, right? In what? Digestion. The other one is the production which one is this? Bicarbonates, yes. Well, the thing is this: the bicarbonate is a base, so it being a base, that means that its purpose when it is secreted, it is just to neutralize the environment. All right, it means where it's being secreted into, it's an acidic media. So when it goes there, it's just going to neutralize and provide a good acidic chime. All right. Exactly, because remember, a good environment, it allows enzymes to work best in terms of pH, and the substances, they are going to enter into the small intestines once they move out of the duodenum. So that is what you are trying to say here. Other non-digestive functions of the pancreas, such as regulation of blood sugar through the secretion of insulin and glucagon. You can state, if you feel like, state 2 functions of the part labeled S in digestion. All right, the part labeled S is the what? Is the liver. Now here they are being specific because they just want you to state this in terms of what? Digestion, nothing else. So in terms of digestion, just 2, which is the liver. Number 1 is the liver secretes bile. So there is secretion of bile. Bile is a digestive juice, okay, which is quite important, okay. It contains elements, substances like bicarbonate, the bile pigment, which is responsible for the color of your feces. It also secretes lipase, an enzyme which is important in the emulsification of fats. The other one is there's also detoxification. Okay, it removes what we call toxins, all right, which might be deadly to your body. The other one which I'm going just to include is emulsification. Emulsification is a breakdown of fats, large droplets of fats, all right, into smaller ones using an enzyme called lipase, like I said in the first place, that there is lipase which is secreted, which is part of the bile. This says describe two effects of the common ailments of the part labeled as to the human body. Two effects. Now, they are not saying you state the ailment. They are saying that ailment, what effect does it have on a human body? Ailments are just like diseases of a body part. Now, we have ailments of the liver, because we already said S is a liver. There are quite a lot. Let me just list them. So we have common ailments, such as, let me just list them here. Number one, let's change the color. Number one, we have hepatitis. I'm sure some of you you've heard of this one. We also have hepatomegaly, and also have liver cirrhosis. Okay, these are the common ailments of the liver, but what do they really do to our bodies? That's what we are saying. So hepatitis, it causes your liver to be what? Inflamed. All right, so we can come here and say describe the effect of common ailments. Number one, causes inflammation of the liver. Okay, this is done by the hepatitis. Okay, the other one is enlargement of the liver. Enlargement, so in brackets I can just say by hepatitis for revision's sake. Enlargement, what am I writing? Enlargement of the liver. So where like the liver start to grow abnormally, this is done by hepatomegaly. We can also mention where the liver starts, the liver tissues, they begin to harden. All right, the hardening of the liver tissues is caused by cirrhosis. We can also talk about that. That's also another effect of these ailments on the liver. So the question was not asking you to list the ailments, but to state what exactly do these ailments do to your body. So you're welcome.